Are you ready, girls?
Yes.
I'm a rootin' tootin' cowpoke from Texas, yeah. But I never ever saddled a horse. Well, it might seem strange, but I ride the range. Out on the golf course, 4. I'm a lasso twirling cowpoke from Texas, yeah. But I never ever lassoed a steer. Every rope I swing, well, I hope it'll bring my little honey here. Down in the Rio Grande in the cactus land, this old cowhand has got ambition. I'm always wishing to find me a little spot aboard a yacht where the sun is hot and then turn on the air condition. Yeah, I'm a cattle raising cowpoke from Texas, yeah. But I never ever milk me a cow. If I wanna snort, I just buy a quart of milk and drink it down. Yeah, I'm a rough and ready cowpoke from Texas, yeah. But I never ever branded a calf. Every buck or doe, well, I just don't know them from a giraffe, yeah. I'm a bronco busting cowpoke from Texas, yeah. But I never ever rode in a fair. Every rodeo that I see, you know, is from an easy chair. Under the western sky where the coyotes cry, my horse and I ride with precision. It's our decision. Instead of riding through like a buckaroo fighting Indians too, we'll watch it all on the television. Yeah, I'm a rootin' tootin' cowpoke from Texas, yeah. I'm an easygoing kind of a guy. Well, they call me Tex from the old Bar Rex. No city dude am I.